Hi, my name is Jessica from period 5. I'll be teaching you how to do a matrix. So we're going to start up here with our equation. Then we're going to substitute in each x, y, and z into these boxes. And once we fill out the first box, we're going to go ahead and with the highlighter, highlight everything that we're going to solve for. Okay. So what I did first was I went to go look for the 0 by subtracting row 2 to row 3. So as I did that, 3 minus 3 equals 0. 1 minus 5 equals negative 4. Negative 1 minus 1 equals negative 2. And 11 minus negative 8 is 19. So next, what I did is I filled in this row, these two, since they weren't going to change. But to find the 0 for this row, I had to use row 1 and 2 from the previous one. So what I put is 4 times row 2 minus 3 times row 1. So what we did was 4 times 1 minus 3 times 6, which is 4 minus 18 equals 14, which is what you would put in the second one. Since the first one, we already got that it was a 0. And then it was 4 times negative 1 minus 3 times 1, which is negative 4, minus 3, which is negative 7, which was your third box. And then 4 times 11 minus 3 times 18, which was 44, minus 54, which was 10, negative 10. Then we move on to the third box. Now for this one, we're going to be solving for the next 0. But as you see, we end up getting 3 zeros. So this already automatically makes the equation inconsistent, which gives it no solution. So just to find it, I put 7 times row 3 minus 2 times row 2. So I had 7 times 0 minus 2 times 0, as you got from these two. And it obviously equals 0. Then I multiplied 7 times negative 4 and minus 2 times negative 14, which is negative 28 plus 28, which is 0, which is how I got this 0. And then I did 7 times negative 2 minus 2 times negative 7, which gave me 14 plus 14, which equals 0. So that's how I got my third 0. Then I got 7 times 19 minus 2 times negative 10, which is 133, plus 20, which equals 153, which is what I ended up getting here. But see, this all ended up being inconsistent since if z equals 0, how there's no like z, how does it equal 153? So it makes sense that it has no solution. So your answer would be inconsistent, no solution. Now to check on the calculator, well, what you'll need to do is, your calculator is most likely different from mine. So what I do is I go to menu. I don't know if you can see it or if it's clearing up. Okay. So you go on menu, you go down to matrix, you go down to RRE form, then it appears there. Then you go again to menu, go down to matrix, go to create, and then you go to matrix. So once I went on matrix and I created a matrix, I changed my rows to 3, changed my columns to 4, and then press OK so that it will be created. Then I will go to the paper, and what I put in my first box I will put into here. So I had 4 6, 1, and then 18. Then I'll go down and put 3, 1, -1, and 11. Then I go down to the third row and put 3, 5, 1, -8. And then I'll press enter. And if you can see on the answer, it has all zeros on the bottom, which is still just proves that this answer was inconsistent. But for this one, they actually solved for the ones, which is like the step that we're missing here. But yeah, this would be your formal answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.